Every single rider knows that Simple Session is one of the premier action sports event in the entire world.
It's just chaos, you know? Everyone from all around the world coming here.
They come to Simple Session to not only ride, but also for the atmosphere.
The vibe out here is super friendly. Doesn't even feel like a contest.
Just hanging out with all the pros is amazing. Meet new people. The energy's up, for sure.
There's such a positive experience that everybody has where they go home with this camaraderie of the brotherhood and sisterhood of this event.
I love Estonia. Simple Sessions, baby.